Residual spraying, whether indoors or outdoors, can be targeted to increase efficiency and impact. Appropriate targets will depend on the local situation and are defined at different levels, to specific response areas, to particular community spaces, to residual harbourages, to specific housing units, to defined sprayable surfaces. Targeted spraying may also refer to covering only part of the sprayable surface, such as the lower portion of walls. Appropriate targets will depend on the spray purpose, the surface type, and resting preference of local mosquito species. Targeting will help preserve resources whilst ensuring efficiency and adequate coverage to reduce mosquitoes and protect human health.